The antique pewter finish is the result of a complex process applied to solid brass, offering an attractive alternative to pewter patina. As this finish is applied to brass rather than steel, it has fewer textural marks, making it smoother than our pewter patina finish. This finish sits well in characterful, rustic homes, but also offers a contemporary alternative in more modern settings. Our antique pewter products are complemented by natural materials such as oak and look equally as good against many paint colours.